scary clown adventure. Today, guys, we're gonna...
Kami na tayo nga, mag-vlog nga ni.
So, I had my
brother.
Yeah, my brother.
I'm the Sigma's brother.
Yeah.
Wait.
She had...
This is a sponsor.
I'm sister brother.
This is a sponsor real
Yes,
quick.
yeah, the
This is a
sponsor,
sponsor
bro.
real quick. No. It's not.
Let's go, guys.
Hey, stop. You're so ugly. No,
Let's go watch this video.
These guys.
The flipped up ng manyabolo.
These guys.
So,
Subscribe my brother and me.
yes, his name is
These guys, this is my name. This is
Yeah.
my name in ano.
Ducky Travis Whiting.
Okay guys, look at that. So Sigma.
Yeah, so let's go to the scary clown.
We're cousin is so out. Hey,
Out.
stop it. Hey,
We're... So my face is... So my friend is sleeping right there on the other room. So let's go black and
let's
the
go
scary.
upstairs. Come on, my brother.
Yeah, there's the scary.
Stop the video right now.
So we're here on the haunted toy. It's
Guys,
full of-
this is the haunted toy. This is our cousin.
Yeah, it's from the trash.
Stop the video. Let's go upstairs. Wait.
Now we're going upstairs now.
Don't forget.
We need to hide.
The dark web.
Let it go. Guys, let's go. Hi. She's here real quick, guys. Real quick.
Ay, cellphone ko. Ma,
I don't know. Guys, help.
ano ba? Ano ba? Ano ba, guys?
Yes. We need to escape. Let's go.
Get ka na dito. Pagkakabaya. Basta sa phone ko nito.
Go away. Go away.
Ayaw niya nga umano sa amin eh.
Go away. There's my brother. Right there. So scary. No.
No, let's go upstairs. It's so scary, like a freak. Okay, guys. We're here. Film her. Film her. He's right there, guys. Look at that thing. It's coming.
Guys, don't shut.
Ano ba, comment mo na naman yung comment ko? Ano nga yung comment ko? Guys, tignan mo siya.
Guys.
It's a Karen. It's a Karen. Doon ka na nga sa baba. It's a Karen from dark web. Look at that, guys.
Help, guys.
Doon ka sa baba, kunwari nga ikaw yung nakakatakot eh. Bilis, ikaw nga yung nakakatakot tapos nagtatago kami. Bola ako na dyan, Gray. Basta ako, gagawa na ako ng protection ko. Doon ka sa baba. Tapos bibidyoan ka ni Gray, akis ka dito sa taas. Ha? Okay ba yun?
To set up the camera.
Aka na nga yung video. Aka na nga yung camera. So guys, hello. Sige, umakit ka na.